Hello and welcome to the course of Codified Drawing in Architecture, intended for first-year students at Polytechnic School of Architecture and Urban Planning. First, let me introduce myself. Teacher Sekat Ania, Assistant Professor Class B, and this is my email. Today we are going to take a closer look at two chapters. First one, the orthogonal projection with multiple views, and Chapter 2, the architectural cut. The objectives of first one are: know the basic of technical drawing, understand the step involved in producing volume views, apply the multiple view orthogonal projection drawing method, and synthesize the knowledge acquired during the chapter. The orthogonal projection is a parallel projection of different faces of 3D objects on 2D plans with help of projection lines. It finally produces 6 views corresponding to 6 faces of projected object. Component of orthographic projection. First one, the observer. He represents the point of view of the person who is projecting. Second, the object. It represents the object or face to project. Third, the projection plan. It is the support where we will draw the representation of 3D object face. 4. The projection lines. The lines that help us to project the faces. These lines are always parallels in the orthogonal projection. The process of orthogonal projection. We imagine transparent cube where we insert the object. Second, we project the object on the different faces of cube. And third, and then we will open the cube. At last, we obtain 6 faces drawn in one only 2D support. The front view is drawing of the block as if you are looking directly at the front of the object. Top and bottom views are aligned vertically with the principal view. The side views are aligned horizontally with the principal view. Types of orthogonal projection. We have 2 types. First one, the European projection, also called the first angle projection. That means that the object is placed between the observer and the plane of projection. Second one, American projection. It is called the third angle projection. That means that the plane of projection is placed between the observer and the object. We obtain the same result, but the disposition of the faces in comparison with the main view is different. Multiple view projection in architecture. The object inside the cube is replaced by the architectural project. In architectural drawing terms, the 6 primary views produced will include 2 plans and 4 elevations. These types of projection are used in architectural drawings to communicate the design of a building. Second chapter. The objectives are: acquire theoretical knowledge of technical drawing cuts, understand the different stages involved in making a cut, make longitudinal and transversal cuts on given volumes, synthesize the knowledge acquired during the chapter. A technical cut is sectional plan, vertical or horizontal, to see the interior of the hollow object. The cut is also a projection view. The objective of a cut is to draw the interior of 3D object in continuous lines and have more specific details, as you can see in the image. Steps to draw a cut. First, initial volume. Second, sectional plan. It can be vertical or horizontal. It cuts the object into two parts, and we choose a part with more details to draw. Third, draw in a section following the orthogonal projection method. Fourth, draw in a cut, thin lines. 5. A cut line. It represents sectional plan. It helps us to know a localization of a cut. 6. Each cut is named with two capital letters AA or BB, to identify it. We have two types of cuts. First, a cut brisé, and second, a half cut. It is used when the object is symmetrical. A cut in architecture drawing. Horizontal cut. It's called a plan. The sectional plan is located in a height of 1 meter from the soil. Second one, vertical cut. Drawing one or two cuts is necessary to understand architectural details as stairs, structure, ceiling, doors, and windows. You can see here two examples of architectural cuts. Vertical. We draw hatches in the cut parts to identify them. It also gives us information about materials. Each material is represented by normalized hatches. We finally have a bibliography, and I thank you for your attention.